Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna give you a small tour of a typical gas station in Canada. So when it comes to gas station facilities do vary station to station, but certain things you always find, like here you have gasoline and diesel, and then you also get I will show you once I get out of the car, is like air air checkup and automated car wash. These things mostly you find at all the gas stations, and also like in 99.99% of gas stations you have facility of washroom. That's typical, especially when you go near the highway. And then there's a convenience store always, and also in lot of convenience stores you will have some kind of restaurant drive through also, in lot, not in all of them. So for example, where I am now, it's a Petro Canada gas station. They have A&W. Okay, I'll try to give you some footage from inside also, but let's see. So once I get out, I'll show you like air checkup and also car wash. Okay, just stay with me. You can see that's car wash, and this is like air checkup and also vacuum cleaner. And now I'll walk you through inside.